Last month, I traveled to London. Last month, I traveled to London. It was my first solo trip. It was my first solo trip. It was also my first time flying abroad. It was also my first time flying abroad. My flight was international. My flight was international. I arrived at the airport 3 hours early. I arrived at the airport 3 hours early. I went to the international terminal. I went to the international terminal. The terminal was big and busy. The terminal was big and busy. I looked for my airline's check-in desk. I looked for my airline's check-in desk. I stood in the check-in line. I stood in the check-in line. I kept my travel documents ready. I kept my travel documents ready. The officer greeted me with a smile. The officer greeted me with a smile. He asked for my passport. He asked for my passport. I handed my passport to her. I handed my passport to her. Then I handed over my checked baggage. Then I handed over my checked baggage. The baggage was sent to the plane. The baggage was sent to the plane. She asked about my seat choice. She asked about my seat choice. She said, aisle seat or window seat. She said, aisle seat or window seat. I chose a window seat. I chose a window seat. I love watching the sky. I love watching the sky. I like looking out during takeoff. I like looking out during takeoff. I also like it during landing. I also like it during landing. She weighed my baggage. She weighed my baggage. She gave me my boarding pass. She gave me my boarding pass. She told me my gate number. She told me my gate number. The baggage was sent to the plane. The baggage was sent to the plane. She reminded me of the boarding time. She reminded me of the boarding time. Then I walked to security. Then I walked to security. I placed my carry-on baggage in a tray. I placed my carry-on baggage in a tray. The tray went through an X-ray machine. The tray went through an X-ray machine. I walked through the body scanner. I walked through the body scanner. I collected my bag again. I collected my bag again. Then I went to passport control. Then I went to passport control. The border office checked my passport. The border office checked my passport. I followed his instructions. I followed his instructions. I walked to my gate. I walked to my gate. I sat and waited near the gate. I sat and waited near the gate. The airline staff announced boarding. The airline staff announced boarding. I stood in the boarding line. I stood in the boarding line. The flight attendant welcomed me kindly. The flight attendant welcomed me kindly. She smiled at all of the passengers. She smiled at all of the passengers. I'll find my seat easily. I found my seat easily. The plane took off on time. The plane took off on time. The flight was calm and smooth. The flight was calm and smooth. I enjoyed the journey a lot. I enjoyed the journey a lot. I reached London safely. I reached London safely. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Until next time.